Action in the high country as Exploration Northwest joins with members of the Mount Adams Wilderness Institute for a first-hand look at an area of the Northwest seldom seen. A two-part adventure which begins at the Flying L Ranch in south central Washington and ends on the glacier-studded great east side of Mount Adams at 12,326 feet, the second highest in the state. Tonight's subject, a mountain called Adams. Good evening, and welcome to Exploration Northwest. Mount Adams is probably the least publicized of all the major peaks in the Pacific Northwest. The journals of Lewis and Clark referred to it as a very high-humped mountain a little to the east of Mount St. Helens. Vancouver failed to see it at all, which accounts for the fact that it's one of the few of its size in the Cascades which bears an American name, after President Adams. And even that came about accidentally as a result of a geographical coincidence. Today, of course, it occupies a far more secure position in Northwest history. Second only to Rainier in the hierarchy of Cascade Sentinels, and still esteemed by the descendants of the Long Braids who once held it sacred. A third of it belongs to the Yakima Reservation. It rises from the Camas Prairie country of south central Washington, a mountain called Adams.